In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging flip animation effect using simple steps. Animation can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your presentations or digital projects, making them more dynamic and captivating for your audience. By carefully following these instructions, you'll be able to add a professional touch to your work that will surely impress. First, let's begin by selecting the element you wish to animate. This could be any object within your software, such as text, an image, or a shape. Selecting the right element is crucial because it sets the foundation for your animation. Make sure that the object you choose is suitable for the flip effect and will benefit from this dynamic transformation. A good choice would be elements that are central to the message of your presentation or those that you want to highlight. Once you have your element in focus, navigate to the Animations tab, which is typically located in the upper toolbar of your software interface. This tab is your gateway to a variety of animation effects and customization options. Within this menu, look for the option labeled as Animations. Clicking on this will open up a library of animations that you can apply to your selected element. Now, with the library open and your options in view, it's time to choose the flip effect. This particular effect adds a visual flip to your element, creating a dynamic motion that draws the viewer's eye and adds an element of surprise to your presentation. The flip animation can usually be found under categories such as entry or emphasis. If you're having trouble finding it, try searching by name using the search bar provided within the Animations tab. After selecting the flip effect, you'll want to set the timing to ensure your animation flows seamlessly with the rest of your content. Timing is crucial in animation as it dictates how long each element remains on the screen and how quickly the animation transpires. Within the settings for your animation, you'll find options to adjust the duration of the flip, as well as the delay before it starts. Experiment with these settings to find a balance that feels natural and complements your overall presentation. For instance, a slower flip might be more suitable for a formal presentation, whereas a quicker transition could work well in more energetic or fast-paced environments. Congratulations! You've now successfully applied a flip animation to your element. Take a moment to preview your project to ensure that the animation looks exactly how you imagined. If needed, make any further adjustments to the timing or animation style, always aiming for a result that enhances your content rather than distracts from it. By the end of this